So as we look at the balance sheet, the first thing to start off with this higher beginning stocks number for the new crop because of the September 28th stocks report. So we translate that into the balance sheet, no other changes. New crop, and you compare USDA to my balance sheet, I'm 30 million bushels lower on crush because I see aggressive pickup in crush in Argentina and Brazil once their new crop supplies are available here in February and March. Exports, I'm higher than USDA, more optimistic that more beans are going to find their way to China in various ways, just like we're seeing happen already with Brazil and Argentina aggressively exporting but needing to import some soybeans in order to crush to meet their needs there. So ending stocks, I'm a little bit higher as a result. Even if you take USDA's number, that's still a lot of soybeans. Excuse me. Now, here's my bear and bull scenario. Here again, I'm using our 54 bushel client yield. USDA's at 53.1. What if we're at 55 bushels? And did I change anything else? I think I left the crush is the same. And exports, I moved down to USDA levels at 2.060 billion bushels. That pushes ending stocks to 1.08 billion bushels of soybeans. That's my bearish scenario, and pull marketing your average cash price down to 760. On the other hand, what if our worst case scenario plays out and we drop the size of the crop by about 200 million bushels? And I see I actually dropped it more than that here, didn't I? So I got more aggressive. Oh, I know what I did. This 4.4, yes, 300 million less than my initial balance sheet, but I dropped it relative to USDA's production estimate of 4.4 billion. That doesn't, oh, I'm sorry. Here, I need to go to this column. Here we go. Here we go. So it's about 230 million bushels less than USDA. What that does is tighten up, and assuming the stronger exports, using my crush number, that drops ending stocks down to 446 million bushels. That's half of where we are now, almost exactly half. That's still 10% stocks to use ratio, but it does justify marketing your average cash of 915, which is certainly 55 cents higher than where USDA is right now. So a trade deal with China that would boost exports, yield losses due to persistently wet weather in the western half, 2/3 of the Midwest. Those factors still can tighten up the balance sheet. It's not what I'm predicting, but it is a risk to the upside for prices.